In this video, we're going to work a Gen Chem problem on charge and subatomic particles. A phosphorus atom has a mass number of 31 and a charge of -3. Determine the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons in this ion. So because it's charged, it's no longer an atom, it's now an ion. So the first thing that we want to do is find the number of protons. We consult the periodic table and look for the atomic number. The atomic number is the same number as the number of protons. So phosphorus has an atomic number of 15, which means it's got 15 protons in its nucleus. To find the number of neutrons, we need to look at the mass number. If we subtract the number of protons from the mass number, that gives us the number of neutrons. So if we round, we see that phosphorus has 31 as the atomic mass number. Subtract 31 from 15, we obtain 16 neutrons in the nucleus. Now, to find the number of electrons, we have to look at the charge. So our phosphorus ion has a charge of -3. If the charge is negative, you add that charge number to the number of protons to give you the number of electrons that have been added to the ion. If the charge is positive, you subtract that number from the number of protons, and that signifies the number of electrons that have been removed from the ion. So in this case, the charge is negative, and it's -3. So we're going to add 3 to our proton number to give us 18 electrons. And what this is saying is that we've added 3 extra electrons to the phosphorus ion. Or we've added 3 extra electrons to the phosphorus atom, now making it an ion. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And remember to subscribe to Amakemist. Also follow us on social media at Amakemist. See you guys next time.